Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. Look what I just made. My delicious frozen treat, and it's a pistachio pudding pop, okay? And they're going in my freezer. So I had some leftover ingredients and I thought, why not make another frozen dessert? And I love ice cream sandwiches. Don't you guys? So this is 5 ingredients depending on if you make it the same, and if you change it up, you know I love to hear your comments below, all right? So what are you gonna need? The main ingredient is my Pizzelle cookies. Now, sometimes I make homemade ones. I do have a Pizzelle maker, or you can just go out and buy different flavor Pizzelle cookies, all right? And for each one, they're one smart point on WW on all programs, all right? And this one is lemon flavored. The great thing is you can make it as an ice cream sandwich, or you can eat it open face. You can eat it right away, or you can freeze them. They're versatile. And I love the chocolate Pizzelle cookies. They have maple, different flavors that you can find in different grocery stores, and even Costco sells them, all right? So I've taken some Cool Whip that I have. I like this one, the fat-free 95%. And I took 9 tablespoons, which is 3 smart points on WW. I have the pistachio sugar-free pudding mix. 2 tablespoons is 2 smart points. And I'm just gonna add that to my Cool Whip, all right? And just mix it. And this was similar to my frozen pudding pops, all right? I have a half a cup of some pineapple. I thought I had the tin here, but this is just crushed. I do have the tin here. So this is the crushed, and you can use or decide not to use, but I'm using a half a cup of pineapple, okay? And I thought that I would add in a tablespoon of chocolate chips, mini semi-sweet, and these are called Sensado. Whatever brand, if you have the Lily's, you get quite a bit of chocolate chips for a tablespoon is 1 smart point. So depending on how many cookies you want to make, how thick you want to make it, and all you're going to do is stir these ingredients up. If you have your Cool Whip in the freezer, that's great too, because then it's pretty much frozen already. This is easy to mix, and you'll see the beautiful green pistachio color. Just fast, easy to whip up. You can eat this as fluff, okay? This would be delicious. Let's just taste this stuff. Oh my God. Yum, yum. So, depending on how big or how small will depend on the smart points, okay, that you fill this with. So, I'm just going to take, let's see, I've got my tablespoon here, and I'm just going to put it on gently. Let's just see, I'll put it on my plate, and I'll probably put in 2 tablespoons, I think, is the perfect amount. And just take a spatula and just gently spread it on so you get a nice thickness, couple inches or so. That looks pretty good. So you can eat it just like that. Yum. Or you can make it into a sandwich. Now, you could add other things to it. You could use some nuts or almonds or whatever seeds you like, or sprinkles even would be cute. You can make them for yourself just as a fast, quick, easy, delicious snack. And you can make it for company. You can make it in advance so that they're frozen. So I'll just do another one for you. A couple of heaping tablespoons is all you're gonna need. Again, spread it out, okay? And it is absolutely delicious. And that's it. when you serve it. You could even take some icing sugar and sprinkle a little bit on. That would look really pretty, or just serve it on a pretty plate. It's great for a party, for a kid's party, an adult party, for a celebration, after a workout, on a cool day when it's really hot out like it is here, depending on when you're watching this in Toronto right now. It is scorching hot, and I'm gonna enjoy these and make a bunch more. So basically, depending on how many you make, if you make them open face, you're just gonna calculate for how many cookies. Each one is 1 smart point each. For the Cool Whip, depending on, again, how much you use, I use 9 tablespoons, and that's 3 smart points, 2 smart points for the Jello mix, the pudding mix, all right? So again, you just divide how many you have. Basically, I would say this would be about 2-3 smart points, okay? If that, maybe 2 smart points. So again, depending on how much you fill it with. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Easy peasy, delicious. Oh, and one thing is I always put it in a sealed container. Keep them in your freezer, all right? Unless you like them soft. I like them harder, so I put them in my freezer, and they'll stay up to probably a week, but they never last that long in my house because they're super delicious. I hope you love this recipe. Comment below. Please share my channel with other people and tell me what you think, all right? I'm just gonna put this down so I can wave goodbye. Take care. Love you guys.